Gather your electronics. Plug the foot actuator into the port of the R2 control connector labeled with the blue foot sticker. Secure the clasp by clicking it in place. Plug the head actuator into the control connector port labeled with the green head actuator sticker. Secure the clasp by clicking it in place. Plug the remote into the control connector port with 5 pins, which is unlabeled. Secure the clasp by clicking it in place. Plug the 2-pin end of the transformer into the 2-prong end of the control connector. Secure the clasp by clicking it in place. Plug the DC cord into a surge protector or wall outlet. Test the connections by pressing the head up button on the remote and see the head portion of the base rise. Then test the foot portion by pressing the foot up button on the remote and see it rise. If nothing works, check the connections are tight and the base is plugged in or contact customer service.